YouTube? Eric DIY with another video review for you. Tonight we're going to review the Vamvo 80-inch movie screen. It comes in 2 bags and it's very, very portable. It comes in a compression sack like this. You have the main frame of the screen right here, built like a tent. You also have the outline for the screen itself. This is what stretches the screen across. And finally, in this bag, you have the main screen itself, which is built out of a nice canvas material. I'm not going to get the wrinkles out right now because I don't really care, but if you have a big problem with that, you can basically iron this. So the screen itself is made out of really, really heavy duty cloth. It's not a cheap, thin vinyl screen. It's not going to have UV damage on it. I mean, you don't want to leave it outside, obviously, at all hours, but it's a nice screen, nice durable screen. If it gets dirty, I'm pretty sure you can wash it. You can get some soap and water and wash this thing down. And it has these nice attachment points all the way through. They're sewn in. So I'm going to show you how to set this up next. So the first step is to take your screen frame and you're just going to kind of attach it all together. It's just like a tent. It all kind of just collapses together like this. Just to give you an idea of how the frame goes. And these 2 little things on the side are what are going to be down towards the bottom of the screen. Now that we have the frame set up, they have little Velcro tabs. That's the top of your screen. So that's going to go on the top. And then on the sides, they have these little pockets that are going to go over the poles. So here we go. Let's set it. And you're just going to Velcro the top onto the top as you go. And again, we're going to Velcro all of these small tabs onto the top of the screen frame. Now you might see that it's a little tight. They have an adjustable screw thing right here. If you turn it, it will loosen and tighten this top thing up, so that'll be easier to get the screen on. Side. Okay. And now that we have the screen on its frame, now we're just going to attach the backing to it. The frame that holds up the screen is just like another tent thing. You're just going to let it all come together. It's in the letter X. You have a main center of the frame right here. And you just got to let it all spread out. The back of the frame has a little hole on it. That's where you're going to stake it down. So you know it's going to go like this. And the back of the frame will have the Velcro straps on top. See, on the little corners here, they have little holes. What you're going to do is you're going to take a spoke of the back frame and you're going to put it right into those holes. Now that we have this one in this corner, I'm going to put another one in this corner over here. You're going to have to bend the sticks. So make sure they're in. Here. Finally, I'm going to take the ones on the bottom, and they're going to have little holes on the bottom over here. And finally, one more to go over here. And then we can pop it right back up. And that will be the back of the frame. If you want to project from the back, by the way, it will work. You have enough space to put a projector right here. But it's probably better if you do it from the front. This is from the front. Zach was an excellent help. It helped me set this up. Just wanted to show you again that it goes into these little holes in the corners. That's the back frame. And that is what attaches the screen and keeps it up. Finally, they include 3 stakes. You're going to put one here. You know, set there's a little hole right there. You're going to put one over here. And finally, I'm going to come around to the back. And you're going to stake it down there. Once you have it looking good, you can just turn this, and this will make the top pull tighter so that it keeps the screen very, very tight on the frame. The Vamvo projection screen does great. We do not have our Bluetooth speakers on. That's actually just coming right from the projector, which is on the side there. But the flame lights are the new LED flame Bluetooth speakers that we reviewed a while ago. So we just have them on for ambience, and Zach is watching one of his favorites. Probably with a chance of viewpoint. That's my review of the Vamvo 80-inch movie screen. As you can see, it's really portable, great for camping. Last night we were on the yard watching Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. The way that we did that actually, so we have this Bqeel X9T Pro Android TV box, and it's excellent because you can basically screencast with your phone if you have an Android phone. We just hooked up a hard drive though in the USB, but I'll be doing a review of this really soon. Projector I reviewed before too, so I'll leave a link in the description below to that review, and I'll leave a link below in the description to the Bqeel X9T Pro. When I review that, you'll see a link there if you want to look at this. This has been an excellent projection screen. I've been looking for one for a while, and this one just seemed to fit everything. It's highly portable, doesn't require a lot of setup. So if you'd like to purchase your Vamvo 80-inch movie screen, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. And while you're there, please push on that bell notification icon so that way you can be notified of future Eric DIY videos. As always, have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.